We're supposed to take these people to get help. It appears that's been done at least twice. Why is he even here?
New at 5, Bexar County Sheriff Javier Salazar referring to 38-year-old Nicholas Charles Norris, who was shot and killed yesterday by a Bexar County Sheriff's Office deputy.
According to the sheriff, Norris had been in contact with law enforcement several times in the past couple of weeks. Salazar said the county's mental health team voluntarily brought the man to the hospital once, and another agency had performed an emergency detention.
The sheriff's question after yesterday's shooting: why wasn't Norris getting the help? Garrett Berger talks with a mental health advocate about how the process works in general.
When police and deputies bring someone to the hospital, that's where their input ends. After that, the head of the San Antonio affiliate of the National Alliance on Mental Illness says it's about medical decisions.
And if they feel like that person doesn't need to be held, they won't.
If someone's brought in on an emergency detention, they have to have a psychiatric evaluation within 12 hours. Doctors decide whether to discharge or detain them based on if they're a risk to themselves or others.
If they feel like the person is stable and can be released, then they should be released.
And if the doctor wants to detain someone past 72 hours, a judge has to approve it. That's when public defenders get involved, and their job is to represent what their client wants, not the doctor.
We represent the person's interest, not the best interest of the community or the best interest of the patient.
Even if the judge grants an order of protective custody, Beach says patients are usually discharged within 14 days.
And there are some, there's some provisions where a person can get longer term care, but, it's not that common and it's harder to get.
Beach says discharged mental health patients still get follow-up plans.
But if they don't follow through on that, of course, they may end up back, on the street or causing a problem.
Possibly starting the cycle again. Garrett Berger, KSAT 12 News.
We are still working to learn more details about what led up to that shooting yesterday, including what Norris had been doing outside of the convenience store that was scaring customers and eventually led to Norris being pursued and shot by Bexar County deputies. Yesterday, Sheriff Javier Salazar said they were using body cam video and video shared on social media that shows a deputy being dragged by Norris's vehicle to determine whether Norris was shot before or after that. We have requested that body cam footage from the sheriff's office.